What's up, guys? Hey. Eyes right here. Eyes right here. Eyes and ears. How now, brown cow? How now, brown cow? Unique, New York. Today, we're going to be talking about the Tascam Dr-10L and the Zoom F1 recorder. They are both field recorders. They're great for like wedding videography, from what I understand. We're going to try them out. Okay, we're going to compare them because there's a lot of videos on each one, but nobody's comparing both of them, and I don't know why. Because they're very direct competitors. They're right around the same price. Why am I always saving YouTube over and over and over? Okay, I bought both of these, not because I need them both, but strictly because I wanted to compare them for you guys. So you're freaking welcome. Both of them come with a microphone. Both of them, one of them came with an SD card. This Tascam one came with an SD card. This one, I'm not sure if it does or not, but I brought one just in case because I'm always freaking prepared. Always. Now, before we start, this is something you might not have heard about. But I'm going to put links down below to the exact places I got these because Amazon's doing this new thing called Harmony, where if you go to these exact links, most of the audio stuff on Amazon now is being discounted through Amazon for some reason. I don't know if it's the season, what's going on. I have no idea. For each one of these products, on Amazon, you're going to find like 7 or 8 links. One of them is directly through Amazon, and it's the same price as all the others, but you get an extra like 30% off of the price. So that's like 50, 60 bucks off or something like that, the price of this. And all you have to do is you click that you want it. It'll say right underneath it, Amazon Harmony, and you click to call customer service. You call them, they say, you want the coupon code? You say yes, and they just give you the coupon code. I did it for this. I didn't know about it for this, but I did it for this. I went back and I wished I would have got the one with the Amazon Harmony. So I'm gonna put the links down below for the exact ones with Amazon Harmony so you can get a discount through Amazon. And they're brand new. There's not used or anything like that. There you go. 1, you're welcome for being here and making this video. 2, you're welcome for saving you darn money. You all owe me 50 bucks. I expect money by Monday. Yeah, you too, Chad. All right, guys. Okay, so let's open these up. Now, as you can see, the Tascam is like a little less fancy. It's like, oh, hey, I'm just a box with some stuff, nothing special here. And this one's like, oh, we're Zoom, we're fancy, and we need to make a super glossy, fancy box so you know how good this product really is. Little secret, it's all Sony guts. Name that movie. Okay, here we go. Let's open the Tascam. Right here, let's open this shithole. There we go. Okay. Is that the recorder? Oh, wow, that is the recorder. Okay, there's a microphone. There is a warranty, just a 1,000,000-year warranty, power cord, the Android thing, and then a little carrying case. Okay, so these two people don't care about that much. The microphone and the recorder, people do care about. Okay, so there's the microphone. It's got some heft to it. I have the Rode microphone with the Filmmaker kit. This plug is definitely more hefty than that one. Okay, also, I've seen videos of this. This looked way bigger. This is way smaller than I thought it was gonna be. This is less thick than, a dollar bill is gonna be thicker than this. That's really, really thin. Okay, we got it opened up. Does it have batteries? Where's the freaking batteries? Oh, there's no batteries. Not to fret, I have batteries downstairs. I use Loops. If you guys don't know what Loops are, you should look them up. I'll link them down below if you need to or something, I don't know. Loops are the best dang rechargeable batteries on the market. Let's open this fancy box up here. What are we getting ourselves into here? Oh, this one comes with batteries. This is the Zoom. Wow, the microphone looks shockingly similar. Let's open this up. Let's see what we got here. Okay, this is the recorder. Size compared to this one, definitely bigger. Okay, width-wise, it's a little bit wide because it has these little handles on the side here. So it's gonna be wider, definitely deeper, and then lengthwise it's gonna be longer for sure. So all around it's just bigger, but this already is like twice the weight of this. Like it feels so hefty, which could be a plus, could be a minus, could be a dividing sign or a multiple sign. I don't know. I didn't do math very well when I was a kid. Just kidding, I'm a fucking whiz kid. Okay, so let's set these puppies up. I'm gonna go grab some AAAs and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm coming. I made it. You still here? Okay, I got the battery. Okay, let's put it into the Tascam Dr-10L, and then we're gonna use the standard batteries from the other one. Okay, positive, negative. Positive, negative. This battery door really sucks. Oh, come on. You piece of dick. -1 already for this. This was just boom, 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 easy. This was boom, boom, spend 12 minutes trying to get it back in. Okay, let's turn these puppies on. Okay, and then this is the Zoom mic right here. And I'm gonna compare each one. Like this and this are like identical. The plugins are like identical. The mics are a little bit different. The Zoom has a little bit bigger of a capsule, it looks like. Okay, so let's get this thing. One thing is the screen is way bigger on the Zoom. This is just a little bitty tiny line. And I can't stress to you how tiny this line is. And how tiny this recorder is. On video, people make it look big, but it is not big at all. This screen is like 2 Tic Tacs side by side. That's like almost the exact measurement of what this screen is probably. And this screen's like the size of a regular SD card. How do I, English? I think I've set it up in Japanese. I set it up in Japanese. And now I don't know how to damn it. Okay, said issue has been figured out, guys. We are in English. Luckily, no lie, I have Chinese neighbors. Very nice people, but they repeatedly told me I was skinny and made me leave with about 7 pounds of rice and chicken and stuff of Chinese variety. Okay, let's put SD cards in these things. Guys, I know you all just want to hear the damn audio test, right? God, why is it so goddamn hard? I get it, you don't want people shoplifting your shit, but what about people that actually buy it? They can't open it. SanDisk, watch it. You're getting a little big for your britches. Okay, so let's get into the audio test. And we're just gonna use lavalier mics. The Zoom does have the option to add like all the Zoom little smart plug-in things that go on here. But we're not gonna do any of that today. We're just doing the regular old lavalier mic. So this one is the Zoom. The Zoom mic definitely looks to be a lot higher quality. I feel like the Tascam mic is heavier though. Like as accurate as a test as that can be. Let's do one with just medium gain on both real quick. Let's turn the low cut off for both. We're doing 48 kilohertz at 24 bit. Okay, we got them similar lengths here. I can tell because I feel like about the same sensitivity, audio sensitivity. Okay, so we're gonna start a recording on both. Then we'll just read something off the internet. We're recording on the Zoom. We're recording on the Tascam. Let's just check these out and make sure we're recording. Oh yeah, we're recording. I'm gonna put what I'm reading up here and then I will flash in between Zoom and Tascam as we go. Zoom, Tascam. You ready? After sending back your Ziploc bag of gold-painted rocks that you considered 14-karat gold nuggets found on a soul-searching pilgrimage in Tibet with a quadriplegic hooker you picked up in Singapore, we find it is truly unfortunate that you cannot understand the concept of do not contact us again. Your fraudulent attempt. I'm seeing that the levels are pretty low on this at the mid setting. I'm now gonna adjust the levels evenly on both sides, probably like +10 or something like that. And then so you guys can hear this better. Your fraudulent attempt to extort money from our seasoned geologists who are experts in identifying precious metals has forced us to take extreme action. This is your final warning before we contact the authorities. Your rocks have shown up in our inventory 3 times now. We will no longer attempt to return them, but we'll keep them as evidence. You are not entitled to any money, especially the ludicrous amount of $1,423,061.92 you demanded for your cash for gold payment. Your petition for an ungreased backdoor hammer time lovemaking session with our telemarketers Carol and Tracy is feral and preposterous. Your absurd request to be reimbursed for postage, $167.45, $138.33, and $142.73 is unwarranted and completely illicit. As a reminder, Mr. Haberney, Ed McMahon passed away June 23, 2009. It is not only disrespectful, but also utterly moronic to request that he host your birthday party at McDonald's. This is the last time that we'll be in contact with you. Sincerely, Jeff Aronson. Damn. I wonder who hosted his party then. That sucks. Well, that's something I found on the internet that I could read, and as you can tell, I was switching back and forth between microphones so you could hear the difference. And we shall stop the recordings. However you do that. I kind of like this method better than the Tascam one, because the Tascam, it's like if you have fingernails at all, it's like a really tiny little button on the side to try and push up. But yeah. Okay guys, that is my review of the Zoom F1 F1 versus the Tascam DR10L. Guys, I love them both. They both seem great to me, and I'm gonna use both for weddings, definitely. Both of them will be used for weddings. They both have headphone monitoring on. Both of them have a headphone monitoring jack, so you can monitor your audio. As far as buttons and screen goes, this one seems a little more robust in that sense. Robust being better. And it weighs a lot more and it feels heavier. But that could be a con. When this is in a groom's lapel or pocket right here, whatever you call it, then that could be a bad thing. That could maybe not be a good thing. This is very small, very tiny, and I have yet to hear the audio. I'm gonna hear it when I go down and edit. But if the audio from this is as good as this, I would say to go with the Tascam. If you're not worried about the weight and size though, I would say go with the Zoom because it's a much better handling experience for sure. Okay guys, links will be in the description below specifically for where to get these with the discount that Amazon gives you for like a bunch of money. So definitely check those out. It's gonna be a big help for you. And then if you have any questions or any specific things you want to know about this or maybe make a video about on these two recorders, let me know, put them in the comment section, and hey, maybe, just maybe, I'll do it. Okay? All right guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.